question that I get asked a lot, so I represent clients who are buying investment properties. I assist friends and family and all sorts of people with purchasing investment properties that they're going to have as rentals, and they ask, should I Airbnb this? If the property is not, let's say, in a highly tourist attraction area, it's not in downtown Salt Lake, it's not in Park City, it's not by the mouth of the canyon where someone could shoot up and ski, maybe a less desirable place where someone would come to Salt Lake, fly into the airport, and stay, what's your recommendation to some of these people that are like, hey, I want to Airbnb my rental, but it's not in a desirable touristy area? Is there any thoughts to that?
Yeah, you're just not going to generate as much revenue or have as many rental nights.
Okay.
Like it's super simple. Like Airbnb is designed to facilitate somebody going and staying for a relatively short period of time, although occasionally I'll get an inquiry around a month or longer.
Yep.
Somebody wants to stay there for that length of time. If you're just doing a room in your house, to have somebody live, somebody's going to come in for a concert or some other kind of thing, occasionally you're going to get some kind of traffic. So the cost of setting everything up and running everything, you'll end up making that decision, but I would not do that.
Got it. You would stick to traditional rental at that point. Someone who's going to stay there for 12 months.
Well, there's some additional, yes, because there's some additional kind of benefit, because everybody has to live someplace, so, one of the things that I found, which I think is interesting, is that Airbnb guests are there's less wear and tear on the property than with long-term rental people, because they're not living in there all the time.
Sure.
Most of the time they're sleeping there, and they're not putting holes in the walls and hanging pictures. They're just not, often they don't have dogs that are living in the place. There's just not the same amount of kind of wear and tear.
Right.
But there is a higher level of kind of hand-holding and interaction that you're going to kind of have to handle that way too.
Got it.